Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my pine tarts. Here's the list of ingredients that you'll need. I'll leave a link in the description showing you how I make the pastry dough. I'll be using the canned pine today because I asked my husband to get pine for me from the supermarket and he brought home the can instead of the whole pine. Now if you're using the whole pine, you're just going to want to peel it, cut it, and put it in your food processor or your mini chopper and do exactly what I'm doing here. But if you buy the canned pine, you buy the crushed one, you can skip this step. But because he bought the pineapple slices, I'll just be crushing it with my mini chopper. You're going to add your pine to your saucepan. I usually drain all the juice from the pine. You're going to add your sugar, your cinnamon, and your nutmeg. Give that a quick stir and let that cook until it's boiled down. Now you can add as much or as little sugar as you like. It all depends on your taste. While the pine is cooking, you guys can go ahead and hit the subscription button on my page. Give my video a thumbs up, and you can also share it with your friends and family. Let me know in the comments if you like pine tarts, if you don't, what you like to see me make. If you make your pine tarts the same way, if you use the can, whatever, just let me know. Let's have a conversation. At this point, my pine jam is finished cooking, so I'm just going to take it off and leave it to completely cool. I'm going to remove my dough from out of the refrigerator and I'm going to roll it on a floured surface. You want to make sure your surface is floured and your dough is cold because you're going to have a really hard time rolling this. I'm just using a bowl to cut it into little circles. You can use anything that's round, any size that you want. I'm just removing the excess dough and put it in a bowl. So I lifted my pastry dough up and flipped it just to make sure that it wasn't stick to the surface. Using a paintbrush, I added some water to the sides so that I can secure it. You want to fold it into triangles. You're going to fold it this one side, then the next, until you get a triangle. Here is a close-up to how I did it. I'm using a tablespoon to scoop my pine into my pine tarts into my dough so that each pine tart can have the same amount of pine inside. When you're finished, you can use an egg wash, which is basically egg with water or milk, whisk it together, or you can use just the plain milk like I'm using here. I usually use the egg wash most of the time, but I was too lazy to go into the fridge to get eggs. So I'm just using the milk today. When you're finished, you're just gonna put this in the oven to bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes or until it's golden brown. I hope you guys enjoyed this, so let me know what you think. Thanks for watching.